Look at this. Happy birthday
Thank
to
you.
you. Do you know?
Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much, my love.
Happy birthday. Happy
Welcome.
birthday.
Oh,
Happy birthday to
Well, move your hand for a
you.
second.
Happy
Neng,
birthday
I just
to
took a
Neng,
you.
screenshot.
I make a
Neng,
ano.
Neng,
Emma, thank
Oo.
you.
Neng.
Fried chicken, yes. Pizza.
Sulong ka, Milby. Wala kay imo ani.
Saan, eh? Happy birthday, blow na.
Ning ko si
I'm going to the living room.
tulong mo si Milby. Ning gawin si Milby.
Sa silbi, ambot.
If there won't be an echo now.
You should blow
Ha?
na.
Thank you
Oh, I'm
so
so
much, my
happy.
love.
Look at that.
I wasn't
Oh,
Blow na.
expecting that this year. Because of your graduation, I didn't think you'd be able to do this.
You should blow
Oh,
na.
be. Neng, tingkan mo.
Blow na, blow. Blow out
Bisa
the
mo na.
candle.
look, hon. Little cake to the cake.
Ah, asa sa
Hmm.
Mimi? Ding! Awa, Bing, oh.
Ha?
Ding! Red ribbon, Bing, oh.
Cake
Red
to the cake.
ribbon.
Oh,
Tulong mo si Milby kay may pasok.
Ding,
Ay,
oh. Red
pasok
ribbon,
ma.
Ding.
Tulog na si
Red
Milby.
ribbon. Oh, let's eat na, guys.
Tulog na si
oh,
Milby.
that's so sweet.
Thank you so much, my love.
Oh,
It means so
Emma,
much to
thank
me.
you.
let's eat
You
na.
made his day.
I love you so much, honey.
Thank you
Oh.
so
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stephen. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? You're as old as a shoe.
much. Yan na.